Hello everybody, my name is Tanvi. Welcome to my channel The House Station. So guys, as the title of the video suggests, today's video is going to be a plum haul and I've got a box full of goodness with some plum goodies. So I've got some products over here from Plum and I'm going to share them with you one by one. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So Plum is celebrating its 6th birthday and they have an amazing discount going on for the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, which has begun yesterday and it's going to go on till the 27th of July. So make sure that you're ordering your products till the 27th of July. You're going to get 20% off on all your favorite products, and if you buy products worth more than rupees 999, you will get the Plum Nature Studio Eye Kajal absolutely free of cost. So what are you waiting for? It's raining discounts. Make the most of it. Get your hands on all these amazing products. All are on 20% off, so make sure that you're getting all your favorite products. You're stocking up on all your favorite products on the 27th of July. So the first product that I have with me is the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. Now we all have heard so many amazing reviews about this kajal, and it comes in this amazing triangular package. This worth for rupees 495 and it is 1.2 grams of product, so quite a lot. And it also comes with a free sharpener which is worth rupees 150, so you don't need to pay extra for a sharpener. You can get one with this, and it is 100% vegan and preservative free. Also it is smudge proof and waterproof, so this is an amazing product. So once we open the package, we've got this sharpener, very good quality sharpener, and then we have the kajal or the kohl. As you can see, it glides on so smoothly and is very pigmented. You can do different types of eye looks with it. It's got a very creamy texture and has got a gel liner like finish. Also it is enriched with vitamin E and is dermatologically tested, and it is free from harmful chemicals like parabens, PVC and mineral oil. The second product that I have with me is the Plum E-Luminance Simple Supple Cleansing Balm. Now I needed a cleansing balm in my life, but we all know that the cleansing balms out there in the market are very costly. So I'm really glad I got this one. This rates for 545 rupees. This is 90 grams of product. It comes in this amazing packaging. I really like the color of this packaging, and when you open it up, you get this little card, like an info card in here, and then we have the product, as you can see, in this nice little round tub, 90 grams of products. And it also comes with this small spatula. You can see this, it's a tiny spatula, so you can scoop out the product from with the spatula without getting any germs in there. This comes in a nice round plastic tub and has got a nice cover. Oh, the product, when you look at it, it's got a wax like texture to look at, but when you scoop it out, it's very creamy, and when you work it into your skin with your fingers, it just melts and takes out all the makeup. As you can see, my makeup is coming off so easily. Just going to wipe it off and reveal my makeup free skin, and as you can see, the product has taken out all the makeup so damn effectively. The third product that I have with me is the Plum Glow Getter Face Mask. This is in chamomile and white tea range. Comes in this beautiful packaging. This rates for rupees 490 and it is 60 grams of product. And then when you open it up, you have this little info card, and then we have the product. So this is the product. It comes in this nice amazing glass bottle, and it's got this lid so that the product doesn't spill or is protected, and smells amazing. So it's like very thick in consistency, as you can see. It's got an amazing smell. Also, like all the other Plum products, it is free from parabens, platelets. It's free from SLS, DEA, PAB, and is also cruelty free. It's got this very nice thick creamy consistency, and it glides on the skin really smoothly, and you just need to apply this on all over your face and wait for like 20 minutes or till the mask dries completely, and then wash your face to reveal a healthy glow. And then the final product that I have with me is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This rates for rupees 575 for 50 ml of product. I have used this one before and it is amazing, especially for oily skin like mine. It's got a very nice gel-like formula. It hydrates your skin without making it oily. So when you open it up, you obviously have the info card and then you have the product over here. So this is what the product looks like. It comes in this amazing glass bottle. Again, it comes with the lid so that the product doesn't spill or anything, and as you can see, it's got this gel-like texture. And yeah, it doesn't make your skin oily. Also, this has won twice in the Nykaa Femina Beauty Awards. This is definitely something that you should try. As I said, I've tried it before. It works amazing. So yeah, you should definitely try it out.
This one is neither very thick in consistency nor it's liquidy. It's somewhere in between. As I said, it's got a gel-like texture and gets absorbed into your skin really quickly, and it hydrates your skin without leaving any shine. It just gives a nice subtle glow to your skin.
So yeah, those were the amazing products from Plum. And yeah, do tell me in the comments down below which Plum product is your favorite. I've put the sale link down in the description box, so you can click on the link and go directly to the sale page and just enjoy your shopping experience. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great day, take very good care of yourselves, and goodbye.